Hey guys, welcome to Baba Giri the Game Show, episode 4.
Yeah, yeah, Rohan. So many people are asking for PDF of Babagiri.
Oh.
So Nasiruddin Shah sir, what do you have to say about this?
बाबागिरी के एपिसोड की पीडीएफ को डिमांड करना गुनाह है। 10 गुना है, 20 गुना है, 1000 गुना है। पाप है ये। मैं तो कहता हूँ पाप का बाप है ये।
Just for fun. Okay, भाई.
Let the game begin now.
चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. किसको स्टार्ट? मैं स्टार्ट करूँ?
आप करिए.
चलिए. ओके. So my first question is from geography. Okay.
Sailors are
And science and tech. Okay.
and science and tech.
So kind of, it's a fine line between geography and science and tech. So I hope that you all will be able to answer it. It's an easy question. So here's the first clue. These are belts of charged particles which are trapped by Earth's magnetosphere.
Anything you can make out?
I have an idea, sir. I have an idea.
Okay, some belt or
Yeah.
something.
It has to be-
Second clue, sir.
Second clue.
Yeah.
So these belts protect the Earth's atmosphere from solar winds coming from the sun.
Van Allen belt.
Very good. That's the right
Nice one,
answer.
nice one.
Very good. So my third clue would have been International Space Station has been put at 400 kilometer so that it doesn't interact with them for the safety of astronauts.
Okay.
So there is something called a Van Allen belt because it was discovered by Van Allen. He was from NASA. So if you see Earth like this, Earth has got a magnetic field. So if this is the North Pole of Earth and this is the South Pole of Earth, magnetic field move like this. Magnetic field lines. So because of this magnetic field, the solar winds which are coming from the Earth. Now I am using the term solar wind. People get confused by between solar winds and cosmic radiation. See, solar winds are winds of mass. Okay, they contain actual mass. They contain particulate matters and ions which are thrown out by the sun. On contrary, if you talk about cosmic rays, radiation or any other radiation, they are just wavelengths. Okay, they are electromagnetic radiations. So these solar winds, when they come, because of Earth's magnetic field, if this is Earth, there is a magnetic field around it. So because of the magnetic field, these particles are making a donut shape like this around the Earth. So the thickness of this Van Allen belt, it extends from 600 kilometer to 6,000 kilometer. Okay, so that's the first belt. There are two belts from 600 to 6,000, then again from 10,000 kilometer to 60,000 kilometer. So because there are so many charged particles, they can interact with satellites. They can.
Yes,
You
sir.
need to coat the satellites to
Yeah.
prevent them from these ions.
Yes.
And also International Space Station. It is
Yeah.
kept at 400 kilometer,
Yeah.
right below the Van Allen belt, so that it does not go into those charged particles because of the safety of astronauts. Fine. If these belts were not there, then this wind would have stripped the Earth's atmosphere. We wouldn't have had any atmosphere. So they're extremely important for life on Earth. Okay. Very good. Then. Okay.
Nice.
I'll go for the second one.
Yeah, you
Okay.
My question is, guess this technology.
Okay.
Okay. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has issued a draft notification amending Central Motor Vehicle rules to allow this technology.
Okay. Fast tag.
I know the answer.
कुछ आगे तो बताएं तो मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी हो गई.
आप
नेक्स्ट
guess क्यों कर रहे हैं?
सेकंड
पहले
क्लू.
क्यों कर-
मुझे लगा
Fastest finger first हो रहा है. आप फेल हो चुके हैं.
This will reduce vehicle thefts and also use of fake spare parts.
Fine, I know the answer.
व्हीकल थेफ्ट एंड फेस. एक कोई ऐसा स्प्रे निकाला था ना उन्होंने. यू कैन स्प्रे दिस.
Is it microdot patches technology?
Yes.
Yeah, microdot patches technology. Very nice answer. Microdot patches technology.
So this technology involves spraying on the body and parts of the body of the vehicle and other machines as well with microscopic dots which will give unique identification.
Which is based on nanotechnology. right?
Yeah. and the microdots will become permanent fixtures which cannot be removed without damaging the asset or the vehicle itself.
Okay.
So it will become a permanent sort of a
Very nice, very good.
application of this technology.
Good.
Now my turn.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to guess the species. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Very much in news for very prominent reason.
Okay.
So it is one of the 7 species which were added in CITES Appendix 1 in recently concluded CMS.
Okay.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Sites appendix 1. Okay.
It is one of the indicated species in the Brahmaputra and Ganga Valley.
Okay.
ठीक है? And less than 1,000 species are available in the world as of now.
Okay.
It is a critically endangered species.
Okay.
Gangetic dolphin. Is it Gangetic dolphin?
हो सकता है.
Hold on.
Let's see.
अभी और clues हैं.
Okay.
Okay.
So as you said, Gangetic dolphin will be one of the options, obviously.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Now, this rare species is very well known for its mating dance.
Sir,
Dolphin तो
Dolphin
ही
कैसे dance करेगी?
it's good. Has to be some kind of a bird
Yeah, mating
because
dance is
mating
done by.
dances usually are done by birds
Hmm.
to attract their.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Bird which is there in Ganga Brahmaputra Valley, that region. Less than 1,000. Less than 1,000. Next clue, is there any other clue?
The largest population of this world is found in Manas National Park, Assam.
Bird.
Park.
Manas National Park.
It is also protected under Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972.
Tough question. bhai.
Tough question. There's no.
No, but to solve this question, you need to first mellow down to those 7 species recently added, and then you can eliminate, right?
Yeah.
And I have given some very unique features with respect to this particular species. So unless you know those 7 species which were recently added, you can't solve this.
Yeah.
You're not even coming close to those 7 species that were added recently. So that's a major setback. Guys, please, you should know that.
तो मुझे प्रिंट नहीं देना है ना.
So this cannot be excused. Atya bhai, you should be prepared when you come here. No?
Yeah, I need to start my preparation for Babagiri at least.
For Babagiri at least.
चलिए भाई, I don't know. I have no clue. Yeah.
Take some guess. Okay, so the answer is Bengal florican.
Okay.
Okay. I wouldn't have guessed it.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So those 7 species added recently are Asian elephant, Bengal florican, jaguar, little bustard, Antipodian albatross, oceanic white tip shark, and great Indian bustard.
Oh.
ठीक है. So this is also one of the species of bustard family, and within its genus, this is one of its kind. Means only species in its genus. This Bengal florican.
Nice.
Nice.
Right. One unique identification aspect of this bird is that when it flies, normally the color is black or grey,
Okay.
yellow tip of both the legs. But when it flies, you can easily identify that the wingspan is having complete white color.
We'll share a picture of this
Yeah,
bird.
we'll share
Put a
it.
picture, yeah.
Fine.
Very nice. Good question.
चलिए next
चलिए,
your
next
turn.
my turn. Okay. सब तो बताए दे रहे हैं यार आप लोग मेरा मतलब.
That's what keeps it really interesting.
Okay. चलिए. So again, it's a geographical feature.
Okay.
Okay. A landform. You need to
Geographical
guess.
feature में दिक्कत ये होती है कि all the statements sound similar. ठीक है. तो unless options are there, it becomes really difficult for me to eliminate.
Okay. It's known. It's kind of very famous. Okay. So your first clue is that it is a deep, long, and narrow valley which is connected to the sea.
Okay.
Deep, long, and narrow valley which is connected to the sea, which extends inland from the sea. It is like it's finger-like projection towards the continent.
Okay.
Anything you can think of.
have an idea, but then.
Second clue?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So they are deeper in their upper and middle reaches.
Okay.
These valleys, they are deeper in their upper and middle reaches,
reaches.
but shallow near the seaward end.
Okay.
Towards
okay,
the
okay,
sea,
okay.
it is shallow, and towards the continent, it is deeper.
कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे. Not able to make it.
Okay.
You know the answer.
Yeah, I think I know the answer. Do you have another clue?
Yes, yes, yes.
I just want to concrete my answer so
Ah.
that.
So
Yeah.
with this clue, you should be able to give the answer. If
Yeah.
not, then I'll give you another clue.
Okay.
Okay, that will make it very easy.
Don't give the answer. I'll go for the last clue.
Okay, yeah.
Fine, fine, fine. Okay.
Okay.
So these are extension of U-shaped valley created by erosion of glacier. Erosion by glacier, not of glacier.
Why nothing is coming to my mind, man?
This
It's an
is
erosive landform of glacier,
specific to geography, so you.
No, that is there.
but it's famous.
But
This
famous,
landform
then I
is
should
very
have
famous.
read it. No?
Right, it is one
Nothing
of
is coming to my
the
mind.
most visited tourist spot. If I'll tell you the country, then you will be able to give the answer.
At least for me.
Final
you-
clue must be.
No, I have got the other clue. I won't tell you the country's name.
Okay, give me the
Okay.
clue.
Okay.
These valleys, they are very good fishing grounds. One of the most productive fishing grounds of the world.
No
Shall I
answer.
answer? Yeah.
So I give up.
Fjords.
Absolutely right. Very
Fjords.
nice. Very
Fjords.
nice. Fjords. Fjords. So J is pronounced as ya. So it is
Nice.
not fjords, it's fjords.
Fjords.
Right. So fjords of Norway are very famous.
No.
Okay.
Right. And Norwegian banks, they are very good fishing grounds. Right. So actually what happens is that if you have sea like this, and if you have a mountain range close to the seashore like this, so if a glacier is eroding this mountain, it will create a valley like this, right?
Okay.
And this valley will be extended in the ocean. So if you look from the ocean side, it will look like an inundation inside the continent, inside
It's
the
like the
shore.
ocean is trying to enter.
Absolutely.
We can
absolutely.
share a pic, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
we'll be
Please
sharing a
share.
pic of fjords. So fjords of Norway are very famous.
Yeah.
Fjords of Chile are very famous. So all these near the Arctic, you will
Yeah.
find these landforms. Also, there is a place called Punto Arenas.
Punta Arenas. Yeah.
Can you tell me where it is?
I think it is in Chile.
Chile. Punto Arenas.
Chile.
Punto Arenas is the southernmost inhabited place.
Yeah.
Right. It is inhabited because of the fjords. Because of fjords, it has got very good fishing grounds so that people can survive.
Nice.
Okay.
So many information.
Chaliye.
So my turn.
Yeah, your turn.
My question is, guess the fuel.
Guess the fjord.
Fuel.
अच्छा fuel. I was
Fuel.
like fjord. Guess the fjord.
Guess
ये
the
कैसा
fuel.
कैसा
मुझे लगा फिर
coincidence?
से आंसर नहीं दूंगा.
Guess
Okay.
the fuel.
Okay.
Fuel. Fuel.
Okay.
Fuel.
So this is a synthetic fuel produced by catalytically reacting carbon dioxide emitted from volcanoes with hydrogen obtained from electrolysis of water.
Okay.
तो मुझे आंसर पता है तौसीफ भाई.
मुझे पता है.
Oh yeah, because
Because we
discussed this.
Okay.
नहीं एक्चुअली क्या है ना.
मुझे क्यों छाट देते हैं आप लोग?
सुनिए मैं बता
नहीं ये हमने डिस्कस किया था सर मतलब एक साल
ठीक है,
क्या
अभी तो नहीं
few
है।
months.
हाँ few months back we discussed this. देखिए ये है लड़का अमीर, ठीक है, और ये चलाता है सुपर कार्स. So this fuel
Okay.
has got something to do with hypercar ही बोलते हैं ना भाई.
Hypercars.
Hypercars, ठीक है.
Okay.
अपने अपने शौक होते हैं ना भाई.
सही बात.
So it's a new technology, so and it can be asked. It's very good. बहुत सही निकाल के लाया यार.
Next clue.
बताइए.
So this fuel has a purity of greater than 95.5%, which is suitable for fuel blending and chemical synthesis.
कुछ चीजें दिमाग में आ रही हैं. अभी रिसेंटली ये न्यूज में था.
मैं एक
Recently
clue
तो नहीं.
मैं एक clue दूं?
You have any other clue?
I have one more clue.
Let him complete.
Let me complete my clues.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is a clean burning fuel and it is sulfur free. It has low nitrous oxide and it has no particulate matter. No particulate matter.
Can you repeat the first clue?
The first clue is it is a synthetic fuel produced by catalytically reacting carbon dioxide emitted from volcanoes with hydrogen obtained from electrolysis of water.
Something related to methanol or something, vulcanol or something.
Yeah, absolutely right.
Vulcanol, right?
Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Vulcanol.
Volcanol, yeah.
So volcanol is basically methanol derived from a
From
volcano.
volcano.
Yes,
That's why it's called a
So
volcano.
that is how I got it.
Yeah. It's very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
आपको भी पता था.
Right.
So you want to tell something about? the
Yeah,
fuel?
so also this fuel, it meets the EU sustainability standards. So it's the same as our Bharat state standards.
Is it being used now in some?
It is going to be used in the first hypercar, 4-seater hypercar, which is going to be developed by Koenigsegg. So yeah, Koenigsegg. It's called Gemera.
You should see that car.
Koenigsegg
We'll-
Gemera.
we'll-
We'll
we'll
put a
share
picture
yeah.
of that car as well.
That car, it's the first 4-seater car.
It's a
family car.
first 4-seater hypercar.
Hypercar.
So hypercar is something that reaches 0 to 100 kilometers in less than 2 seconds.
Oh my god.
So it reaches 0 to 100 kilometers in 1.9 seconds in the base model.
That's the base model.
In the base model.
far reality for Indian roads.
भाई चलाएगा. Pretty sure. Hopefully. Yeah. चलिए. Nice. Very good.
Okay,
Your
my
turn.
turn, right?
Yes.
I'll ask easier question.
हाँ प्लीज यार. प्लीज यार. मेरी बेइज्जती हो रही है इस एपिसोड में.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं. Okay, so you have to guess the valley.
Okay.
ठीक है.
So आ गई यार.
I'll give in the very first clue that recently this valley was in news with respect to India-China dispute, wherein India deployed its army in this particular valley also. First clue.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Doklam is not a valley.
So this is on the bank of Bhagirathi River, and it lies in the Gangotri National Park.
यार मैंने नाम सुना है ये.
I'm not sure of this.
एक और क्लू है.
एक हिस्टोरिकल कहानी बताता हूँ इस पर्टिकुलर वैली से रिलेटेड. देयर वाज अ ब्रिटिश जनरल who left British army and he fled to that particular place,
Okay.
that particular valley.
Hmm.
His name was Frederick Wilson.
Okay.
ठीक है. Frederick Wilson,
Hmm.
जिसके बारे में सुंदरलाल बहुगुणा, he also said that he, that guy is mainly responsible for the destruction or eco destruction of that particular region.
Okay.
ठीक है. आप guess
ऐसा
कीजिए.
कुछ हासिल वैली.
सर आंसर नहीं है. Why you
हाँ.
नहीं, I'm not even
Harsel.
looking there. I'm looking at his.
हार्सिल वैली.
It is
Harsel.
Harsel Valley.
हार्सिल वैली.
Nice.
फाइनली कुछ तो आया. हार्सिल
ठीक है.
वैली.
So Harsel Valley के पीछे बहुत unique सी story है.
Okay.
It's a very beautiful place to visit.
Okay.
ठीक है. हार्सिल वैली. और particularly राजा ऑफ हार्सिल करके एक बुक आई थी. So because of that also राजा ऑफ हार्सिल is none other than this particular British general
Oh.
Frederick Harsel. ठीक है. Go read little more about Valley, Harsel Valley. You'll get more information.
Nice. Very good question. Who's turn?
Now,
Acha,
something more I want to add here is that with respect to India-China dispute, there are so many locations that will be important for prelims. So you need to, locate those areas very importantly. कुछ बताओ, anything in recent times with respect to India-China dispute. कौन-कौन से locations हैं?
डोकलाम इज वन.
पुराना है,
ठीक
recent
है.
बताइए.
रिसेंट तो नेपाल चल रहा है.
India-China.
हाँ, क्योंकि
Pangong Lake.
Okay.
Yeah,
Pangong Lake is very important, right? Line of actual control. Most of the area is in land.
yeah.
Pangong Lake is the only area which is
Water
body.
Yeah.
So learn more about Pangong Lake in the sense that this is very unique lake. इसको हम लोग push भी कर रहे हैं. Pangong Lake, we are also pushing it for inclusion under Ramsar site.
Okay.
ठीक है. रामसर साइट में इंक्लूड करने के लिए भी हम इसको पुश कर रहे हैं. Anything very unique about this lake that you guys can tell me?
Bordering China, India,
वो तो सबको पता
लद्दाख
है.
में है.
Geographical point of view से आते हैं भाई.
It's in Ladakh.
Geographical point of view say there is a lot of confusion behind its the quality of its water. Like people are confused whether it is a saline lake or it is a freshwater lake. So the character of its water changes. So on one end it is saline, and on the other end where a stream is connected to this lake, at that point it is a freshwater lake.
Okay.
Right. So there is always a confusion. But if a question is asked, then you should take the saline lake,
Brackish.
brackish water lake.
One very unique geographical word is associated with this.
Achha.
It's an endorheic lake.
Endorheic drainage lake.
Drainage system, right? You know what is endorheic lake? It's a landlocked. It's not, the water is not moving to any ocean or any other water body, right? So this is very
It's a
unique,
sink. It's a sink.
actually.
So landlocked sink is called an endorheic basin. For example, Aral Sea,
Yeah,
right? So Sir Darya and Amur Darya, which are coming from Russia, they
Caspian.
are entering the Aral Sea. Caspian is an endorheic basin. So just go and read about some
then
endorheic
yeah,
basins.
then Galwan Valley is quite famous with respect to India China. Abhi recently में.
Okay.
Then Chumbi Valley.
Hmm.
Then Chusul Valley is one which you may not be able to see quite a lot in news. Chusul Valley. ठीक है. Then Rezang Valley. REZANG Rezang. Rezang La, not valley. It's a pass.
Pass.
It's a pass.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Fine.
Your turn, sir.
Chaliye, my question. So now I am asking about a personality. You need to tell me who the personality is. ठीक है. So he was a king who was so infamous that his nickname was Chand.
Chand.
Okay, you won't give the answer. No one
Okay.
is not
Again, you
supposed-
have discussed.
Again, yeah, I have been teaching this to him, so he knows this thing. Okay,
Sir,
but you should be able
See,
to.
This is not done. This
he,
is not done.
he knew about Vulcanol because I told him about Vulcanol. Like this is all long back. We've discussed
But
this long
I'm
back,
pretty
but
sure
these
you'll
are
be
very
able to answer
important.
it.
No, don't ask questions when you guys already know it.
No, but this is we've discussed this
This
really long ago.
is a good question.
Okay.
Good
and
question.
we're doing this for
you.
the viewers as well. So
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't know he was gonna be.
चलिए, अरे
I
आपको
know the
पता
answer.
है भाई?
पता है.
हाँ, आपको पता होगा. ठीक है.
पहले clue से I cannot make
ठीक
out
है.
anything.
So his nickname was Chand
Chand.
because he has built a torture palace in front of his palace, where different type of tortures were used with the prisoners. Fine. This is clue number one. ठीक है. Second clue. This king won only one war, and that war is extremely famous in Indian history. सिर्फ
I
एक ही
can
war.
guess one name, but you have more clues.
Yes, I have.
I think I know the
Two
answer.
more
If this
clues.
is the, he only won one war, right?
One war.
Okay.
ठीक है.
I know the answer. Can I or shall I wait for the third clue?
सुन लीजिए, third clue सुन लीजिए. Viewers can also listen
Yeah.
to the third clue.
Okay.
ठीक है. This person rose to greatness after abandoning the Kshatriya dharma. Kshatriya dharma is policy of war. So he abandoned the policy of war, and after that he rose to greatness.
Okay.
Usually it's the other way around. Like all the kings
Fine.
that you'll hear, they are great. They are called great because of the wars that they have won. A great warrior is a great king. With this king, he is the unique king in the whole world who rose to greatness because he abandoned that
I
policy.
think it's Ashoka.
Yes. Very good answer. Good answer.
Second clue I got it.
So the answer is King Ashoka. So he changed his policy from Bheri Ghosha. Bheri Ghosha was policy of war. So from Bheri Ghosha he changed his policy to Dhamma Ghosha, policy of Dhamma, and then he abandoned warfare. And people think that because Ashoka had almost entire India under his rule, that he must have won many battles
Yeah,
or
yeah.
wars.
I
That's
knew
not-
this, that he only
Yeah.
won one battle.
He
Kalinga,
only
right?
won one war, that is Kalinga War. Kaling is the ancient name for Odisha region.
After that war, he never fought.
After that war, he never fought because he was so disturbed. And on Rock Edict 13, he has mentioned about that war where he has written that Shat Sahastra people were killed. Shat means 100, Sahastra means 1,000. So 100,000 people were killed. So after that, he was too disturbed and he changed his policy, and then he also got converted into Buddhism. Right?
Nice.
चलिए.
Would you like to tell them more about Chand Ashoka?
चंड अशोका, अब यार अब तो ग्रेट द अशोका द ग्रेट हो गया है, तो लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट चंड अशोका,
Yeah.
बिकॉज ऑफ दैट टॉर्चर पैलेस ही वाज कॉल्ड
Yeah.
दैट. ठीक है.
So it's my turn.
Yeah.
So my question is, guess this art form. Okay. So it is a form of masked Ram Leela art. Masked Ram Leela art.
रावण छाया, बट रावण छाया मास्क तो नहीं होता, तो पपेट्री का फॉर्म है ना.
उसमें मास्क से होता है.
नहीं,
आर्ट फॉर्म तो है ही.
शैडो पपेट्री आई थिंक.
रावण छाया is a
रावण
puppetry.
छाया इज अ शैडो पपेट्री, तो उसमें मास्क तो नहीं होगा. मास्क रामलीला. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्लू.
UP government is collaborating with government of Thailand to hold an exhibition for this art.
थाईलैंड.
Of this
इसका
art.
मतलब इंडिया का नहीं है. वो अगर कोलैबोरेट कर रहा है थाईलैंड से, मतलब इंडियन आर्ट फॉर्म नहीं है.
नहीं, थाईलैंड से कोलैबोरेट कर रहा है टू हैव इट इन यूपी. It means it's not Indian. If it was collaborating with Thai government to organize it in Thailand, then probably it could
This
have
is what I
been,
can make from
Indian.
statement 2. Any other clue?
It is a part of UNESCO's intangible heritage list.
इंटेंजिबल हमारे पास कितना है? 13 है.
Hmm.
उसमें तो ऐसा कोई मास फॉर्म का रामलीला है नहीं.
Mhm. Yakshgana.
नहीं.
You guys give up?
No, wait.
Is there any other clue?
No, there's no more clues. Do you want more clues? I can give you more clues.
Okay.
दे दो भाई.
क्लू में आंसर है.
So it is based on tales of epic Ramakien. Ramakien. Ramakien.
But we can't guess anything from there.
रामाखेन तो यार
Is
मतलब
रामायण.
रामायण से-
रामायण इन थाई
और रामलीला तो बोल ही रहा है.
I said already.
Okay, I give up.
ओके.
It's called Khon Ramleela. KHON Ramleela.
सुना भी नहीं.
So yeah, this is important because it was in current affairs as well, because UP government is collaborating. So experts from Thailand who perform this art, they are coming to. They'll be coming to. They came to India. They trained the people,
Oh.
and they made Indians perform this art in UP.
Okay.
And it's going to be performed all over India as well
Okay.
in later stages.
Fine.
So and another additional point for this is it has no dialogues, and a background voice narrates the whole story, accompanied by a traditional peeput ensemble. So that's their music, peeput ensemble. Peeput is a instrument.
Okay.
We can put a picture of that.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah. And it is also famous for its beautiful attires, and they have golden masks.
Okay.
So
Okay.
golden mask,
Very nice. Khon Ramleela.
Khon
Khon
Ramleela.
चलिए.
If this question is asked in UPSC, so one of the option will be Khon Ramleela. How will UPSC place similar options?
डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ
मतलब अगर सिर्फ खौन रामलीला लिखेंगे और बाकी 3 ऑप्शन में रामलीला नहीं है, so it will be quite easy for people, no?
Sir, in some places it's even just said, like in Thailand, they just call it Khon. They don't call it Khon Ramleela.
Okay.
They call it Khon.
Only Khon.
So they don't.
Then-
they probably
then it will be
will.
difficult.
Yeah. Then they'll just put Khon. They won't put Khon Ramleela.
Yes.
We call it Khon Ramleela because it was
To
coming
interpret.
to India,
Yeah.
so that people know what they're coming to watch.
Fine. So my turn, right?
Yes.
Atte bhai, you have to give this answer.
Okay. I'll try.
So this is an astronomical interferometer of 66 radio telescopes which observe electromagnetic radiation at millimeter and sub-millimeter wavelengths. First clue.
66 interferometers.
66 radio telescopes
Radio telescopes.
that,
मतलब interferometer ही
that
होगा.
observe electromagnetic radiations at millimeter and sub-millimeter wavelengths. The second clue is, recently astronomers have found a massive galaxy dating back to the early universe using this astronomical interferometer.
यार एक ऐसा कोई इंटरफेरोमीटर इधर इन साउथ अफ्रीका ऐसा करके एक बड़ा सा रेडार टाइप कुछ बना रहे थे ना ये लोग. radar the, I mean, telescope type. Australia, South Africa. ऐसे
This two
collaboration.
clues you should be able to give the answer.
You have one more clue, sir.
I don't have.
So give us one more.
देखो ये मतलब जो ऐसे जो भी चीज होती है डेजर्ट में.
Yeah. Okay.
ठीक है.
Desert.
Okay.
Okay, fine. हाँ.
Fine. जरूरी थोड़ी ना है.
नहीं जरूरी इसलिए है क्योंकि आप जब भी देखेंगे तो आपको किसी ना किसी कोल्ड डेजर्ट या हॉट, जैसे मैंने लास्ट एपिसोड में बताया था डेजर्ट की डेफिनेशन, तो कोल्ड या हॉट डेजर्ट हो सकता है. उसका रीजन ये है कि इन डेजर्ट द स्काई इज ऑलवेज क्लियर. दैट्स व्हाई मोस्ट ऑफ द टेलीस्कोप दैट यू विल फाइंड दे आर ऑलवेज प्लेस्ड इन अ डेजर्ट वेयर देयर इज नो क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन.
Okay. So then I'll just make this much easier by the third clue.
Okay.
Third clue मैंने लिखा नहीं है, but still I'll give you the clue. So this interferometer is named after one of the very famous deserts of the world. अब तो बताओ.
Sir. Something Atacama, sir. Atacama is the desert, but Atacama something.
Atacama interferometer.
Interferometer something is
That's
there.
called ALMA. Atacama
ALMA.
large
Right?
millimeter submillimeter array.
Yeah.
Right.
Nice one. Good. Yeah. But अगर third clue नहीं हुआ तो
Third clue नहीं हुआ तो मुश्किल है, but now
तो
we
हथियार
will
डाल.
know. Now we'll know.
Drop.
Yeah, I would have dropped the
fine.
question. if
So
I
there
didn't.
are certain telescopes like that. अब
Alma.
जैसे
Right.
Hubble telescope है, but that is not placed on Earth, right? Hubble is in
Yeah, space.
space. Then 30-meter telescope is there. Then one telescope which was recently in news was square kilometer array. I think
Yeah,
you
yeah.
initially thought about that only.
Right.
Right.
South Africa,
So 30-meter telescope, square kilometer array, Hubble telescope which is in space. Then this ALMA telescope. ठीक है?
Nice,
Your turn,
very
sir.
good question. My turn. I think it's over. The round is
Yeah,
over.
we're done.
We are
No,
done with 3
We
rounds.
started with you.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3. Yours is
I
the
was
one
second.
question.
I was second. He was first.
I was the first one to ask them. So 3
Yeah.
rounds are over. Now bonus question is there for these people. You want to give a bonus question?
I have.
Okay. So this is the last question, bonus question for you guys, where Tausif sir will be giving the clues and you have to identify whatever he is asking.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
You also think about it.
Yeah.
So, this is a musical instrument. Okay. It is also known as the Queen of Instruments, and it is widely performed in Meghalaya.
Okay.
Queen of Instrument and widely performed in Meghalaya. Okay, that is first clue. It is associated with the religious dance called Ka Shag Nong Krem.
Kashar Nong Krem.
It is associated with this festival called Ka Shag Nong Krem, which is a religious dance actually, ठीक है, which is performed by the Khasis of Jaintia Hills.
Okay. Fine.
ठीक है, and it produces, this musical instrument produces high pitch when it is played.
Okay. High pitched music when it is
So
played.
these clues are enough. When you can identify that particular religious dance form, you'll get the answer. So try to find this out.
So all the best guys for finding this answer. We hope that you will find it and put it in the comment. Do some brainstorming, googling whatever you want, and do share the video, subscribe to it, and click the bell icon so that you can get the notification.
Thank you so much.